guys, good morning. My name is Kenny, and I just received my package from Ville dashboard camera. Let's check it out and see what is inside. And see, this is my car right here. I would fix this inside. Okay, now I'm trying to open it so that you can see what we have inside. Okay, now, wow, this is lovely. Here you can see the camera. Look at it. I think it comes with 16 gig memory card. If you put it on, I'm trying to put it on. Okay, can you see it right now? I think it can also record. Yes, wow, this is lovely. Here it comes with the charger. Okay, this is the charger, and it also comes with the camera. Wow, so this goes to your back of the car while it's connected to the view, and it also comes with a manual. In case you don't understand anything, then you can go through the manual. So I'm just going to fix this inside my car, and let's see what's up. I'll definitely update you guys. Thanks.